Hello, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna guide you how to update TikTok app. Keep watching this video to not miss any part. If you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any upcoming videos of our channel. Now let's move on to the video. Now head over to the Play Store or App Store and tap on it. Now on the search bar, search for TikTok. And here you can see update button on the left side of your screen. Now tap on the update button. As soon as you tap on it, your app will be start to update and download. Now here you can see app has already start to install. Here you can see your app has been updated and installed to your mobile. That's how easily you can update your TikTok app. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to subscribe our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and I will be back with more.